HeatMap theme has a feature called SEO Text. What's SEO Text? Well, it's text that appears just below the body tag. So it's the first, in your HTML of your site, it's the first text that the search engine will come across. So let's have a look at this feature. I'm just going to go into the HeatMap options. I'm going to click on SEO. And we'll have a look at the SEO text feature here. And here it is. So any text that I put here will appear in the HTML source just below the body tag. It will also appear at the top of your blog. So if I just put some text here, I'll put a H1 tag in here. This is a great blog about art, and maybe a paragraph here. Learn all about being an artist. This is just an example. You probably want to think long and hard about your SEO text that you're going to put in there, make it keyword rich and both readable to humans and search engines. And I'm just going to save that. That's just saving away, and then we'll go and have a look at our blog. And so you can see here now we have our SEO text, which is appearing right at the top of our blog, but not only that, it will also appear in our source. So if I just view the source of this page and scroll down, just get rid of this so we can see a bit more. If we just scroll down a bit further and look for our body tag, oh, I think I missed it. Here it is. So here's our body tag, and if we just scroll down a little bit further, here is the actual text itself, and it's the first thing that you see below the body tag. So it's very hard for search engines to miss this, and if you really want to make a point or highlight something in your blog, then it's worth putting in some SEO text. Now this text here by default appears at the top of your blog, but in later tutorials I'll be showing you how you can actually move this SEO text down into the body of your content so it looks a little bit more seamless.